Hello, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Welcome to today's webinar. Right, let me run a poll right now, launch a poll right now. Is this your first time here with us? Do we have any newcomers here? Right, I do see we have a few of the newcomers. So while we're people still streaming in, and let me tell everybody here what we do. We have a daily webinar where Jin will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas for very specific currency for each day. Right? So Monday, Aussie and New Zealand, Tuesday, Euro, Wednesday is the pound, Thursday, yen and gold, and Friday, the Canadian dollar. Right. So today it's Monday. So Jin will be speaking about Aussie and New Zealand dollar pairs, as he will be taking us through different time frame. This webinar is definitely going to be very beneficial to both long-term investors and short-term traders. During this session, Jin will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlight potential targets, and risk. However, disclaimer, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades, right? Jin runs LMCBS Traders, where trading is conducted to get traders to be consistent and profitable. And of course, Forex Briefcase, which is our managed account service, where Jin trades at AUM of more than 10 million USD on a daily basis, right? You may have really seen Jin on many stages globally because he is invited to speak there. And in fact, one of the reasons why you might be here is because you attended one of these various events, right? So now let me run a second poll. How do you get to this webinar? Okay, let me get this poll up. How do you get to this webinar? It is important for us to let us know. So while you're doing this poll, I'd like to take opportunity to share with you more about LCMS Traders Club. All right, Traders Club, share here, and we got this in. Right. Okay, now, so this LCMS Traders Club is a private group on Facebook where we teach, guide, signal, coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. This is the place to be, regardless of whether you are new, experienced, part-time, or full-time trading. Now, if you have joined us from the Telegram channel, which I see many of you are here, you'll be enjoying our trade signals absolutely free, right? A question you might have is that when you were told when to get into a trade, you don't know where to exit in the traders club. We not only give you the signals earlier, we are in the Telegram channel. We also tell you the strategy behind the signals, all right? Okay, and also guide you on where to exit with specific reasons. Let's look here. Now, if you can take a look, last week we gave a sell signal of a euro pound, okay, and we give you the analysis. We give it straight here first. We give you the analysis, and then we have actually when it hits a TP1, we actually suggest you to secure the profits. Of course, last week was Christmas week, and there was also possible brick exit news, which we saw it did on Sunday. So we did suggest that it's a good opportunity, a target to exit first to secure your profits. Another one, we have the US CAD as well. Here, looking at analysis here, TP1, secure your profits. Of course, if we reach TP2, TP3, we will highlight to you as well. Right, and many, many more here. Now, excuse me. So you know that in the long run, you not only earn from the signals, but you also learn how to trade better. Now, if you want to learn new strategies, require some coaching, we also have members live Zoom sessions here on Monday and Wednesday evening to run through trade ideas, teach you new strategies, update you on recent market conditions and economic developments. Right? You can see here, we have on Monday a weekly live call with Jin, okay, where not only we tell you about what happened last week, economic roundup, we have some signal coaching as well. It's telling you more details of why we enter, why we exit, and why do we look at consider a TP1, TP2, the TP3 to exit as well. Now, not only that, we also have Jin group coaching sessions where Jin will go through what could come in a week, what to look for in a week to look for, and how to possible trade targets and ideas for the whole week. And also not only that, he talks about trade psychology, he talks about scalping, any other conditions as well. In fact, this session is really the most ideal time, and place to pick Jin's brains on pretty much any trading related questions that you might have, right? And not only that, also on Wednesdays, we have lots of strategies kind of setups where we last week, the week beforehand, we talk about the trend series where we talk about chart patterns, we talk about candlestick patterns, we got many more. So you can come in and learn on top of the 5 steps trading methodology. Now, we also lastly have a wide range of analysis here for club members as well. You can have our questions here. See, if you have questions here, members and coaches will definitely reply you immediately. Any trading related questions. We have also a breaking news, here where what's happening in the market. We'll put it up here as well. We also have the currency correlation, where what currency pairs is correlated positively or negatively to a currency pair, so you can control your risk. Okay, now with such a wonderful opportunities here, you have opportunity to best a lot of information here, shortcutting your way trade success. How do you join? Well, the link will be put in the chat group. Here, what we're going to do is go to tradersclub.lcms.com.sg. Here, it is really a paid subscription of $199 a year, which really is less than $1 a day. No, but if you're facing any uncertainty in your trading or taking any risk in your trades, you definitely need to join the club to get guidance towards profit, and get some coaching to improve on your confidence and strategy immediately. So trading can be really very lonely, but down here we have a close-knit community ready to share, and trading can be really enjoyable and profitable. So don't wait anymore. Just click and join the LCMS Traders Club. Okay, great. That's great for sharing here. Remember, do join. Now, let me pass it to Jin for the Aussie and New Zealand pairs analysis. Jin. Okay. chat. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? Daniel, what's the outrageous prediction? ETF. Well, that's something else. Okay. Outrageous prediction? Nah. Oh, no, just something I was reading over the weekend for some analysis was giving out free predictions, some outrageous things like and giving a lot of opportunities, like telling us like Microsoft will buy, so and so forth, and kind of stuff. That's just something to read over the weekend.
No? So I've been muted. Okay. So as I was saying, hang on, move that away. Look, as we go to the end of the year, all kinds of things happen. So yes, Forex Trading Asia, make sure you jump on. No outrageous analysis, no outrageous predictions that Daniel likes. All good analysis on Forex, and also some on the other markets as well. Looking at the news today is Monday. We have Boxing Day holidays across the board. Australia, Canada, New Zealand, the UK, everyone's on holiday. don't expect the markets to move that much. However, we are still looking at possible continued weakness into the US dollar. Okay, we have some news on Tuesday. Again, I don't think it's going to move the markets too much. Wednesday, coming to end of the year, and then Thursday we are on New Year's Eve, and Friday, 1st of Jan, everyone's on holiday. So not a lot of analysis to do at this point. If you are hammering out trades left, right, center, you are doing something very wrong. Okay. But looking at the markets, I'll take this opportunity instead of giving you new targets, instead of giving you any outrageous predictions. I'll be looking at what we have done before and also just where we think next year could be heading. So this is the Aussie US on the H4 time frame. The last time we spoke about it, we said that it's going to come down and test 7522. It's done that, come down and test 7522, bounce back up a bit towards this 7625 level. At this point, I don't think we're going to see much towards the end of the year. I do think that we're going to see it sit at this level. Okay, sit at this level. However, looking at it on the daily time frame, zooming it out, we've done all the analysis from way back in March. You see all that lines there. At this point now, we do think that we might see the Aussie US climb up to about 77. Okay, to about 77. Possibly, I don't think it will. I think it'll be a stretch. I think it'll be a stretch over the next year to see it get to about 81. Right, I would love to see it get to about 81, but I think it'll be a bit of a stretch. I think it'll get to about 77 before we see that resumption of a range back down towards 70.36. So I think that in the broad scheme of things, that's where we might see markets heading. The New Zealand dollar on the H4 time frame does look like it's going to sit in this range as usual, possibly even go up towards 71.79 or 71.72. But in the overall broad scheme of things, I think that we might see a top of 73.60 here at before, even at the maximum of about 75 before the resumption back down again. I don't see much big upside towards the Aussie dollar or the Kiwi dollar for the next year, unless something crazy happens again. All right, this is the outrageous, Daniel, look here, the outrageous prediction leading up to next year or for next year, unless something else crazy happens. We never know what the world is going to bring us over the next year. Okay, so one thing I want to say now is that I'll take this chance. Can you guys put in the link for the 4-day course? The group actually. So 4-day course. Am I sharing the right page? Yep. All right. So make sure you jump onto. I know we have done the 4-day course in December. Jump onto this group, the LCMS Traders 4-day FX Kickstarter group. It is a private group on Facebook. Just click join. Free to join. Free to get in. What I'll be doing is I'll be sending out my support and resistance lines in the group. I know I'm supposed to be sending out to a lot of people in the group. They took a selfie. They want the lines, and people have been asking me about it. So I will be putting it into. Good job. I see someone join straight away already. So I will be uploading my lines, my support and resistance lines. Not what happened, the new updated lines that you can use for next year. Okay, what you'll notice is through the analysis, we've drawn a lot of lines. I'll send you the clean lines, things that you can use for next year. So make sure you join. You only get it if you join the group, and it is free for you to download once you join into the group. All right, so I see one person click join already. Make sure everyone else here, I know there's a lot of new people in here. Make sure you join the group. And with that said, I will be uploading the lines by the end of this week. So make sure you get in, get ready to download them. With that said, I'll pass it back to Daniel.
Okay, thanks, Jin. Let me launch a new poll. What do you think of today's sessions, everyone? Okay, so by the way, those who are new here, a recording of this video will be uploaded. So thank you for joining these sessions today. Tomorrow it's a Tuesday. So Tuesday we will be talking about the Euro pairs coming. Looking forward for the week. So looking forward to see you then. Goodbye. And no outrageous predictions.